Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to show you how to make our version of the breakfast burrito. So the ingredients you're going to need are Burrito Grande tortillas, hash brown patties, sausage patties, eggs, cheese, and, well, Taco Bell sauce if you really want to dip it. We did.
Yeah, I love Taco Bell sauce.
I do too.
So the first step is preheating the oven.
Yep, to 425. So then you're going to want to put the hash brown patties on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. I use parchment paper because it's a lot easier to clean. So you're going to want to set your timer for 15 minutes. Pull those bad boys out. In the meantime, you're going to want to make your eggs. I like to make mine in omelet form, just because it flattens out on the tortillas. So add the hash brown patties to 2 tortillas, overlapped like I have them there. And then I also overlapped the hash brown patties to make it easier to fold.
Right.
And then you're going to want to add your egg. Look at that bad boy. So beautiful.
It is.
Being careful not to burn yourself.
Right.
So in the meantime, while you're cooking your hash brown patties and your eggs, you're going to want to cook your sausage patties. I made 3 of them. I actually made the whole package, but I only used 3.
So it's 3 per burrito.
3 per 2 tortilla burrito, correct.
Okay. Because sometimes people might make like a third tortilla and have a really big burrito.
Yeah, you can do that too. It's just a 2 tortilla burrito was easier for me to fold. So then, as you can see, I kind of stuck the ingredients closer to the edge of the tortilla to make it a little easier to fold. Once you get a good grip on it, you're going to want to wrap that baby around and flip her over. Well,
And we just thought we'd mention between each step, be sure to wash your hands, which we have done off screen. So now is the next step.
so during rolling, you may or may not need 2 or 3 different attempts trying to roll it, as you could see that I did. So then you put it on a flat top or in a pan. I prefer the flat top just because it makes it easier. And then you let it sit on the flat top for a couple minutes so it gets nice and golden brown on the underside. Flip it over to the other side so it also gets nice and golden brown. And that's what you've got.
Looks good to me.
Looks perfect to me.
And it tasted perfect too.
Good. I'm glad.
And that is pretty much it, right?
So then that is what she looks like on the inside. Well, alright. Can't really say she because it, yeah.
Alright, so that should just about do it.
Yep. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. And we will see you again next time.